What's up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. Today, we're bringing up yet another watch. My Walmart is having a blowout clearance thing going on with the watches. This is the Timex Expedition Field Watch with Indiglo, and I'm very excited. This thing is normally $55. It was on clearance for $25, and it's beautiful. It's brand new. You can tell the it's never even been activated, so there's a plastic in between the crown and the watch itself. So we're gonna pull that out and get it ticking after I set the time, of course. So, and I guess the day, yeah, it's got a date as well, which is pretty nice. I love this watch. I love field watches. I used to have a infantry field watch. I sold it a long time ago. Kind of regret selling it. So it's good to have the field watch back in the collection. And there it is. It's the very first ticking. So let's go ahead and pull that out real quick so I can set the day. Okay, it is the 6th, so I'll set it for the 5th. And then we're going to spin it over so it rolls over to the next day. That way we have the correct AM and PM set up. So it's just a nice looking field watch. And you know, the cool thing about field watches is they don't have to be expensive. There are some that are though. But you can get a good Casio, a good Timex at Walmart. Sometimes you can find them on clearance like I did. $25 for a good field watch, you really can't beat that. And it's so legible. That's what I love about it. That's what was also attractive, not just the clearance price. The fact that it's super easy to read. I just love that. And it's nice. It's nice to have a field watch back in the collection. It really is. So it is currently 2:17. There we go. Perfect. Very nice. And it's taken away. All right, let's go ahead and first I need to cut they left the security thing on. So I'm gonna cut that off first so I can actually use the watch, you know. Okay. And then I'll cut off the warning tag. And it looks like there's another zip tie to cut off as well. It's on a rubber strap. I may end up replacing it with a walkie strap because you guys know I'm very much obsessed with walkie straps. They're some of the best straps you can buy on Amazon, and they're affordable. Less than $10. You really can't beat that. But I will try the default strap it comes with, because it is signed by Timex, I will say. I do like that. So let me pull this off. It is a rubber strap, so I imagine it's probably pretty breathable. So look at this watch. That is a beautiful looking watch. Very simple, very easy to read, like I said. But it goes really well with that green band, I will say. So let me go ahead and get it on, and we'll take a look. I will say the strap is really soft, which is nice. Really, really soft. So who knows? I may leave it on. Oh, you know, I do like it. I don't think I'll buy another strap. I think I really like that. That is a comfortable strap. That is incredibly comfortable. That is a nice strap. Here's why I like it. I'll show you. There's a little hole at the end, and this thing, I don't know what to call this. It like helps tuck the excess. It's got a notch on it, and it goes inside the hole. It's like they thought of the excess, and knowing people like me who like it flat, it's meant to tuck in that hole to hide the excess strap. You know, I don't think I'm gonna buy another strap. This might be the first time I don't need a walkie for watches like this. They thought of that. I hate when there's a flap of extra strap, is what I'm trying to say. And that hole being there with the notch on the loop, I guess you call it. Like it goes inside the hole and holds it down. It looks clean. It's perfect. It's breathable. I love the color. Yeah, I'm happy with the Timex. Well done. I love this field watch. This is great. I'll be wearing this a lot. Oh, there you go. I'm pleasantly very pleased and impressed. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. I will link this below. If I can find it on Amazon, I will link it below. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Shout out to Timex. They thought ahead on that, and I wish other brands would do that. So, very nice. All right, guys. Take care.